A different view of Disney, an airport and the Tiger's Head. We're on sections 7 and 8 of the Tinworth Trail right here on Drone and Phone. Well, welcome to the 4th episode of our Tinworth Trail expedition. What are we doing today?
Today we're doing section 7 and 8. It's total 14k I would say.
It's going to be a lot tougher than the last one, but
Lots of climbing.
probably not as tough as some of our earlier ones. Right, time to get going. The 98-kilometre Tinworth Trail stretches from the northeast corner of the New Territories down to the far west corner of Lantau Island. It was conceived in 2022 to commemorate the life of Nick Tinworth, a Hong Kong trail runner and race organiser who died at just 44 after a struggle with a brain tumour. It's an unofficial trail, so there are no signposts or infrastructure along the route, but it covers many paths that are missed by the official Big Four long trails. In this episode, we take the MTR to Sunny Bay and start a treasure hunt for the trailhead. So as you come out of the MTR, it's a little bit tricky this one, but basically look for the toilets. There is a water refill there, and then behind the toilets there's this small path that's going to take you to this bigger path. Let me just get onto it here, and once you're on this, you're away. Follow the path under the highway, then up the other side and cross Sunny Bay Road, where you look for a path that runs along the road. So once you get out of Sunny Bay, there's a little bit of toing and froing along the roads. If I turn this around though, you can see this is where we're going, right up there, and it's going to be a lot of altitude compared to yesterday. The trail takes you under the highway again before you find the path that will start the first steep incline of the day. As you can see from my sweaty face, it's getting quite steep early on. We're going straight up. You can see we've already risen quite a way above the sea, but look at these views across here. We're seeing the whole city light up, down Victoria Harbour over there, and this little lake down below us. I guess that is Inspiration Lake from Disneyland, and Disneyland further over. Okay, let me keep going. We've got to get up this one now. The trail takes you up 291 metres over 3 kilometres on a reasonably easy path with views of Sunny Bay and Disney's Inspiration Lake behind you. How was that?
I feel like vertical, yeah? Nice.
What a view, eh? You can see right the way down to Central and Victoria Harbour, Kowloon on that side, obviously and Sydney over there, and all the way over here to Tuen Mun and Castle Peak up there in the power station round the corner. So fantastic first view. Let's see if it's going to get even better as we go along. From the top of Taishan, you follow a ridge that undulates over a series of 3 peaks, Taishan being the first. Now these two sections are not the longest in distance, but they're very up and down. Just look at this for an example. We're going to go right the way down to the valley and then back up on the other side, down and back up again. It's going to be like that all day. Now you get a real sense of where we are right now. We're standing on a thin ledge, and if you look down over here, you're going to see Discovery Bay laid out in front of you. But if I turn around here, you're going to see the airport and Tung Chung right over there, Sunset and Lantau peaks off in the distance. Now we are going to be dropping right the way down to this path that goes between DB and it looks like Tung Chung or Sunny Bay, and then up there is where we'll be heading next, right up to the top, which will be our highest point before we descend down on the other side, and then we're going to finish today somewhere behind over on that side there before we get to Tung Chung. This is the first time for me to walk this ridge, and I'm blown away by the views we're getting on this clear day. It's not that easy going, but well worth the effort. From the ridge there is a steep descent to the end of section 7 before you start the biggest climb of the trek.
That's on and off spot. 2 dB, right?
Yeah.
If you want to start here, you get up there. If you want to get off, you get off here. Easy.
Well, section 8 starts with quite a brutal climb. We're going up about 465 meters. Started down at about 130, and it is just straight up.
We're en route. According to the GPX, we should go that way, but since we're here at Lo Futo, the Tiger's Head, let's go up and have a look.
There's nothing easy about this climb, but the good news is once you get to the top, all the hard work of the section is done and there is a long, easy descent that awaits. Once you've made the big climb, we're finding it now very pleasant. This beautiful, nice, easy run. You can see the trail just going off into the distance. It's going to go all the way along that ridge there and then drop down on the other side as we're looking over Discovery Bay golf course here. Beautiful day today, really enjoying this one. So once you hit the pavilion, you're onto a concrete path, turn right, and we're on our way down to the end of this section. I don't think we're gonna get off this path. I think it's gonna take us all the way there. It's almost 7 kilometers to get down, including a guard tower and sword testing stone built during the Qing dynasty to resist pirates and other invaders. From the village at the end of section 8, there is a minibus that will take you to Tungchung MTR. Well, that's it for this episode, or almost it. We've got about 2k down to the bottom, you can see just below us now. How's it been for you, Jack?
It's going to be less than 15k in total, much higher than the last session, the last episode, with lots of up and downs, but the view, you can see Lantou everywhere.
It's an absolutely stunning day today. Now, if you're finding this for the first time, you want to find a lot more episodes like it, you're going to find it on our YouTube channel and on our website at droneandphone.com. For now, my name's DJ.
I'm Jack.
And this is Drone and Phone. You sound a little bit more enthusiastic. And this is Drone and Phone. Okay.